Downloading and printing documents from a permit. To download documents from your permit via the Customer Self-Service Dashboard, or CSS, you will navigate to your dashboard either by using a saved link to the CSS login page or by going through the City of Grants Pass website. From the home page of the City of Grants Pass website, you will scroll down to the Licenses and e-Permitting card. When you click on this card, it will open the page that lets you choose to log in or register, search public records, explore maps, and pay an invoice. Click the box that says log in or register. Should this action populate a box that states you are navigating to a different page, click OK. Because I have already visited my CSS dashboard, you will not see that pop up on my screen. By clicking OK, it will bring you to the Sign in to Community Access Services page. Here, you are going to enter your email address and then click Next. If this is your first time logging into your CSS dashboard, you may see the options to verify with email or verify with password. If you choose to verify with an email, the system will email you a code to log in with each time you log in. If you choose to verify with a password, you will enter your password each time you log in. Once you have entered either your code or your password, click Verify. This will bring you back to the home page of the CSS. However, there are two small differences on this page from the previous page. Please note, your name will be in the upper right corner next to the shopping cart, and on the black banner next to the Home button, it now says Dashboard. From here, click on Dashboard. On this page, you will see My Permits, your building permit applications, My Plans, your planning applications such as pre-apps and site plan reviews, My Inspections, your inspections for your building permits, My Invoices, if you have any unpaid fees, and My Licenses, if you have a business. Under the My Permits and My Plans headings, you will see Attention, Pending, Active, Recent, and Drafts. Each of these links will take you to a list of your permits in that category. By clicking on the View My Permits under the Attention card, it will bring you to a list of your most recent and pending permits. Locate the permit number you are wanting to download documents from, then click on the blue hyperlink Permit Number. By clicking on the blue hyperlink permit number, you will navigate to the permit. On this page, you will see your permit number in the upper left corner, permit details, summary, locations, fees, reviews, inspections, attachments, contacts, sub-records, and more info, progress, workflow, and available actions. Here, you will click on the Attachment tab. On this tab, you will see your approved plans. To download the plans, you will click on the blue hyperlink located in each document tile. Please click on each file link for downloading. At this time, there is not an option to bulk download. Once you have downloaded all the approved sheets, you will navigate to your downloaded files in your File Explorer for printing, as all approved plans are required to be on the job site for inspections. Once you have downloaded all of your approved plans, you may log out